For my third video, I found a website that I was not familiar with, something I thought that I could incorporate into my world geography classes that would be fun but also educational. The name of the website is GeoGuesser. You can see the web address here at the top of the screen. Basically what it is a game where you are placed in a geographic location and you navigate the place to try to figure out where exactly you are. And so I will demonstrate for you real quick how it works. You can see here there are different categories of games you can play. You can be placed any place in the world. You can explore famous places. You can look at places that are just in the United States or more European centric. There are world cities, all kinds of things that are within this and all kinds of possibilities. So if we want to do the world, we would click on play. And you'll see up here we're in round 1 of 5. And so we are placed somewhere in the world. And we're going to navigate this area to try to figure out where exactly we may be at. In the interest of time, I will accelerate through this real quick. When you think that you maybe know where you're at, then you click over here, you mouse over the little map on the right hand side. You click on that and it's going to zoom you in. We're going to guess that we are somewhere in the United States. So we can zoom in on this map by hitting the plus sign. My mom used to live in Phoenix, Arizona. And for some reason, this reminds me of Phoenix, Arizona. So we're going to put the pin right there. We can zoom in really close if we wanted to and get it really specific. So we'll go somewhere down here close to Tucson, and we're going to click make our guess. Now this website is free. You can pay to get rid of this little pause in between your guess and it revealing the answer. But for 10 seconds of time for your students, I think that's too much. And it turns out that I was fairly close. I was within 650 miles. That was someplace in northern Colorado. I would not expect you to be that good the first time out. I'm pretty much a genius at this game. I've already played it like 3 times. All right, so why this game? I think it's something fun for kids. It can drop you any place in the world and have to use the clues of their environment to try to figure out where they are. So it pushes them to think maybe a little bit of a higher level. The purpose would be to, I guess, to engage students and draw them in on their learning and maybe to ask questions about the environment that they're in and use some of the things we talked about in class to apply those to figure out where they would possibly be. My audience would be high school kids. And my 2 ISTE standards would be as a designer, so using digital learning environments in order to enhance student motivation, and as a facilitator, managing virtual environments where kids can explore their own learning.